light has the power to set a scene. Warm, subdued light can instantly create an intimate feel, bright, cool light can help you focus, and splashes of changing color can bring the party atmosphere. It doesn't have to be static. Synced or reactive lighting can enhance music, help movie action burst off the screen, and make gaming more immersive. Smart home lighting has grown considerably smarter in recent years. It comes in more shapes and sizes and is much more affordable than ever. Add some color to your life, find accent lighting to match your mood, and transform the feel of your home. There are numerous options for cheap smart lighting panels, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable smart lighting panels from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Smart Light Panels Nanoleaf Shapes Triangle Smarter Kit. For versatile smart lighting, Nanoleaf is your best option. You can mix and match hexagon, triangle, and mini triangle shapes with this modular system. The pieces are easy to slot together and install, provided you take your time, and you can choose from a vast array of colors and lighting effects in the Nanoleaf app. For parties, I love the built-in rhythm module that syncs the panels to your beats. The daylight option is also great for dark winter days. You can create your own effects and color mixes, but the lively community in the app is constantly adding to an already large library. These panels always draw compliments from visitors, and I usually control the lights with voice commands through Google Assistant. The shapes themselves are touch-sensitive, so you can swipe in 4 directions to make changes to the lights. This is important if you have kids, though they don't always work as they should. The whole package is also expensive, and you need a number of panels to create interesting patterns. I initially experienced frequent connectivity issues, but this improved enormously after Nanoleaf updated the firmware to add thread support. When they're powered off, I'm not wild about the white plastic look, and you are stuck with an unsightly power cable running down the wall. Works with Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, IFT, and Razer Chroma. Number 2. Pixel Art Panels Twinkly Squares. While most light panels give you bursts of animated color, these square panels from Twinkly feel like pixel art canvases. Each panel sports 64 individual LEDs, 8x8. We tested a 6-pack, but you need at least 9 panels to create a square canvas big enough to do justice to some of the artwork in the app, and 12 or more would definitely be better. The Twinkly app works well and offers lots of stills and animations. You can also create your own by hand or from an image. Sadly, these panels are very expensive, and with too few, everything looks blobby. Setup was a pain. The control panel must plug into power via USB-C, but the supplied cable is not very long. We used a longer one of our own. There is decent smart home support, but only for simple on and off or color changing. You must open the Twinkly app to delve into the fun stuff. Works with Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Homey, Omen Light Studio, and Razer Chroma. Number 3. A great alternative, Govee Glide Wall Lights. You get wonderfully colorful, bright, diffused light from these modular bars. They are fairly easy to fit, and they feel quite durable. Govee's app offers a wide range of colors, and you can apply them to individual segments of the bars. There are also some lovely animated scenes. I like the rainbow effect best, and a reactive mode that syncs to music. The app lets you create your own scenes, but the process is confusing. There are plenty of pre-configured scenes to choose from. I generally use Google Assistant to turn the light bars on or off and dip into the app to change colors or scenes. However, the lack of physical controls is disappointing. The light bars are also pricey, and the potential configurations are limited unless you buy multiple sets. The glide wall lights are translucent white plastic with visible scenes between sections, so they don't look great when they're turned off. Finally, you're stuck with an unsightly power cable running down the wall that connects to a control box and then to the power adapter. Works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Number 4. Best for gamers, Philips Hue Play Gradient Lightstrip for PC. If you want reactive, bright, and colorful lighting to accompany your gaming, the Philips Hue Play Gradient Lightstrip for PC, August 10, Wired recommends, is swift and accurate at screen matching. This flexible diffused light strip is easy to set up and slots into adhesive brackets that stick to the back of your monitor. Via the Hue Sync app on your desktop, the lights match up to the on-screen action, making games and movies more immersive. There are 4 intensity settings. The light strip also works as bias lighting to ease eye strain in a darkroom, and there's a music mode. It comes in 2 sizes for 24 to 27-inch or 32 to 34-inch monitors. The smaller size puts out up to 800 lumens, and the larger goes up to 1000 lumens. Like the rest of the Hue range, this light strip is pricey, and you also need a Hue bridge, $50, so it's an easier sell if you already invested in Hue lights for your home. It works best with fast-paced games and movies, but sadly it won't sync with streaming services like Netflix. Their content protection blocks it. Works with Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, IFT, Microsoft Cortana, Samsung SmartThings, and Razer Chroma. Number 5. Best Light Strip Philips Hue Gradient Smart Light Strip. Smart lighting pioneer Philips has many excellent ambient options in its Hue range. This light strip is bright, offers rich colors, and is easily configurable in the Hue app. You can find the precise color or tone of white you want, and the Hue app offers a good range of pre-configured scenes. You can cut this light strip or extend it to fit any space. I recommend pairing it with a Hue hub for the fastest operation and to unlock all the features, controlling the strip remotely, more smart home integration, and movie or music syncing with the sync box. If you are happy with one color at a time, save yourself a bundle and go for the single color version, $88. Functionally, there's not much to criticize here. It works as advertised, though my light strip did peel away from the back of my TV slightly after a few months. The adhesive could be a little better. But the real problem with the Hue range is that it's so expensive. This light strip is an obvious pick for anyone already invested in the Hue system, and it's an excellent option, but you don't have to spend this much to get almost all the same features. Works with Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, IFT, and Microsoft Cortana. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.